Sessions Court heard the bail plea of Ranya Rao in connection with the gold smuggling case. Advocate Girish Rao appeared on behalf of the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, while Ranya Rao's legal team was also present in the court. Now, the hearing took place in Court Hall number 64. Defense arguments was led by Advocate Kiran Javali. Javali contended that the Supreme Court's guidelines on search and seizure procedures were not followed in this particular case. In fact, he pointed out that the authorities had violated these guidelines. Verdict on the bail plea is now expected for today. My colleague Gautam is joining us live on the broadcast over the same. Gautam, please walk us through the latest as far as this case is concerned that you have picked up from your sources. What can be expected from today?
Good morning, Sakshi. The all-important bail verdict in the Ranya Rao gold smuggling case is expected today. And like you pointed out, there were very detailed arguments made by the defense that is representing Ranya Rao last evening. Now, the main point that the advocate representing Ranya Rao raised is that under Section 102 of the Customs Act, there weren't proper guidelines that are followed, and he also contended that the Supreme Court's guidelines on search and procedures were not followed in this case. And he particularly spoke about the DK Basu case. Now, DK Basu case basically refers to several guidelines that the officials, be it the police or any enforcement directorate or anyone there is, they have to follow the guidelines for the arrest process. And the defense basically argued that the authorities had violated these guidelines and said that there wasn't an arrest memo and that should have been issued before her arrest as well. And the other point that was put forward is that the officers here in this regard had violated several other guidelines as well. Now, keep in mind that this has been the primary argument in both the Economic Offences Court and now the Sessions Court, where the hearing is going on, that there are several lapses in the way Ranya Rao was arrested, and that is the reason they are seeking bail. And the other important point that was raised is that saying that she is a woman and a resident of Bangalore, and also that this is an economic offense case, and that there is absolutely no evidence to suggest Ranya Rao could tamper with the investigation. And they also said that her passport is already with the DRI, and this basically eliminates any possibility of her fleeing the country as well. And in concluding arguments, Javli also said that he requested the court to consider these factors and grant her bail in this case as well. So it will be interesting to see, given the kind of arguments that the DRI has made, whether this arguments made by the defense will hold, and if Ranya Rao will indeed get bail here today, Sakshi.
So you have highlighted, the defense that has come in from Ranya Rao's side, Gautam. But what about Girish Rao? What all things did he put forth on the table in front of the judge, which can actually land Ranya Rao in some serious trouble? What are the findings so far as per him?
Yes, the DRI officials have basically argued that in connection to Ranya Rao, there is a lot yet to uncover, and there are several other missing pieces as well that need to be pieced together. Keep in mind that it's not just Ranya Rao who is in custody regarding this gold smuggling case. It's also Tarun Raju, who is said to be a long-term associate as well. And the other issue that they've raised is that this smuggling syndicate could have a reach that is beyond, that goes beyond Dubai as well. So to look into all of this, and also saying that Ranya Rao hasn't been cooperating or answering the all the questions that have been asked of her. This is one of the reasons that they have asked for further custody and as well. Now, there's another important development that I would also like to point out here that is expected to happen today. The final report in this particular case with regard to the case that is being probed by the Karnataka Additional Chief General Secretary, Gaurav Gupta, will be resubmitted today as well. This probe report revolves around DGP Ramchandra Rao, the stepfather of Ranya Rao, where the Karnataka government and IAS, IPS officers basically investigated into who helped Ranya Rao get through the green channel in the airport, and also they have confirmed that multiple individuals connected to the case have been interrogated. Now this final report is ready, and we'll see if DGP Ramchandra Rao could also land in further trouble. Keep in mind that he has already been asked to go on a compulsory leave by the government as well. So this report, when it is submitted by the Karnataka authorities, will be interesting as well. So two major developments happening today.